And I wanted to share with you guys some kind of fun little thing here. You guys are probably all familiar with McDonald's and how they have Happy Meals and they have toys that they give away for those kinds of things. For the most part, when you go to a restaurant in Japan and you buy a kid's meal, and I'm talking about like a sit-down family restaurant, if you go there, the kid is allowed to pick from a basket a kind of toy, and it's a really cheap. For Japan, it's even cheap. It's kind of a really pathetic toy. Usually, jacks or an old plastic car or a paper airplane that doesn't even fly very well. Nothing really very cool. But this one particular restaurant chain, actually in Japan, has gotten together with Rilakkuma and made special gifts that are given out if you go eat there. And, you know, they do this, of course, with the fast food restaurants. They do it with Kentucky Fried Chicken. They do this with McDonald's. This is a common thing to give gifts away with that, like the toy. But to see it in an actual sit-down restaurant, I thought was kind of unique. The restaurant is actually a couple of different places. It's Ringer Hut and Hamakatsu, and these are two restaurants that are kind of like part of a chain. Ringer Hut is actually a place where you can get champon noodle, which is what Nagasaki is famous for down here. And you do see this restaurant sometimes periodically in other parts of Japan, but it's prevalent definitely down here in Kyushu. And then Hamakatsu is a place where they make tonkatsu, which is a pork chop that's kind of fried and you eat it with different sauces to dip it in and stuff. So, but this is just one of many different prizes you got. There was a little kaleidoscope toy. There was a little kind of like a miniature Tupperware that you could keep little small things in. A little rubber ball, I think, and then this cute little jucho. A jucho is just a blank notebook that you can take notes and draw pictures in. And because it's the 10th anniversary for Rilakkuma, this is a special collection for these. This particularly features the 10th anniversary image for Rilakkuma, which features him with his crown on, which is super cute. And the little bird holding a little coin that says 10 years. So inside there's just, you know, cute little drawings along the top, which is nice. Usually juchos just are plain old, cheap juchos are just plain white sheets of paper, but this one's a really nice one. It features cute artwork across the top and bottom. And there's a few pages, I'm going to guess maybe, 15 or something there. And a cute little thing here where you can do your own coloring. It's a nudie corner, so that means color. Color area here and over here as well. So kind of a cute gift to get. If you're a huge fan, especially of Rilakkuma, then this is something definitely that's fun to get. This is right where people would normally write their name, down at the bottom. I'm showing you guys the back. But yeah, just a cute little toy. So if you guys happen to be in Japan right now at any time and you're a huge Rilakkuma fan, then you want to try to go have something to eat. I'm curious, I wonder if they'll give you guys a kids meal even if you don't have any kids in your group, in your party. I always order a kids meal with my child because I have 2 kids, and so we always get access to these things. But, and in the States, I know I'd never had any problem or hesitated buying a Happy Meal even though there were no kids around me and I just wanted a Happy Meal. But, I don't know if they bug you about it here, so, but that kind of gives you guys just a quick look at something that's kind of fun here that features some characters.